Getting car insurance in the USA, particularly in California, follows a specific process. Car insurance is mandatory in California, and having the right coverage is essential for protecting yourself and your vehicle in case of accidents or unforeseen events. Here's a step-by-step guide to obtaining car insurance in California. 1. Understand insurance requirements. Before you start shopping for car insurance, it's crucial to understand California's minimum insurance requirements. In California, drivers are required to have liability insurance, which covers bodily injury and property damage caused to others in an accident you're at fault for. 2. Gather necessary information. Gather the following information before contacting insurance providers. Personal information: name, address, contact details, driver's license number. Vehicle information: make, model, year, VIN, vehicle identification number. Driving history: past accidents, violations, and claims. 3. Compare insurance providers. Research and compare different insurance providers to find the best coverage and rates for your needs. Consider factors like coverage options, customer service, discounts, and online reviews. 4. Obtain quotes. Contact insurance companies and request quotes based on the information you've gathered. Be prepared to provide accurate details about yourself, your vehicle, and your driving history. 5. Choose coverage. Based on the quotes you receive, choose a coverage plan that meets your needs. In addition to liability coverage, you might want to consider additional coverage options like collision coverage. Pays for repairs to your own vehicle after a collision, regardless of fault. Comprehensive coverage covers non-collision damages, such as theft, vandalism, and natural disasters. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage protects you if you're in an accident with a driver who doesn't have sufficient insurance. 6. Provide necessary documentation. Once you've chosen an insurance provider and coverage, you'll need to provide certain documents: vehicle information, proof of ownership, and vehicle details. Driver's license. A valid driver's license is required. Proof of address. A utility bill or other document confirming your address. Payment. Pay the initial premium to activate your coverage. 7. Review policy details. Before finalizing the insurance purchase, carefully review the policy documents. Ensure you understand the coverage limits, deductibles, exclusions, and any additional terms. 8. Register your vehicle. Before you can legally drive in California, you need to register your vehicle with the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV. To do this, you'll need proof of insurance. 9. Maintain your policy. Pay your insurance premiums on time to keep your coverage active. Be aware of renewal dates and any updates or changes to your policy. 10. Explore discounts. Insurance providers offer various discounts that can help you save money. These can include safe driver discounts, multi-car discounts, good student discounts, and more. Inquire about available discounts and see if you qualify. Remember that the cost of car insurance in California can vary based on factors like your driving history, age, location, and the type of coverage you choose. It's recommended to shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurance providers to find the best coverage at a competitive price. In California, USA, is an essential step for anyone who owns or operates a vehicle in the state. Car insurance provides financial protection in case of accidents, damage, theft, or other incidents involving your vehicle. Here's a guide to help you understand car insurance in California. 1. Types of coverage. In California, like in most states, there are several types of coverage you can consider. Liability insurance. This coverage is required by law in California. It includes bodily injury liability, BI, and property damage liability, PD. BI covers injuries to others in an accident you're at fault for, while PD covers damage to others' property. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Although not mandatory, it's a good idea to have this coverage. It protects you if you're in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance or has insufficient coverage. Collision coverage. This covers damage to your vehicle in case of a collision, regardless of who's at fault. Comprehensive coverage. This covers non-collision damages, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and more. Medical payments, MedPay, or personal injury protection, PIP. These cover medical expenses for you and your passengers in case of an accident, regardless of fault. Additional coverage. You can also opt for extras like roadside assistance, rental car coverage, and more. 2. Minimum insurance requirements. California's minimum liability insurance requirements are as follows. $15,000 for injury, death to one person $30,000 for injury, death to more than one person $5,000 for property damage. 3. Factors affecting premiums. Several factors influence how much you'll pay for car insurance in California. Driving record. A clean driving record often leads to lower premiums. Age and gender. Younger drivers and male drivers typically pay more. Vehicle type. Expensive or high-performance cars usually cost more to insure. Location. Urban areas may have higher premiums due to increased accident and theft rates. Coverage level. More coverage or lower deductibles may lead to higher premiums. Credit score. In some states, including California, your credit score can affect your rates. Annual mileage. The more you drive, the higher the risk, which could lead to higher premiums. 4. Discounts. Insurance providers often offer various discounts that can help you save on your premium. Some common discounts include Safe Driver Discount for maintaining a clean driving record. Multi-policy discount. If you bundle your auto insurance with other policies, like homeowners insurance, with the same provider. Good student discount for students with good grades. Safety features discount. If your car has safety features like anti-lock brakes, airbags, etc. 5. Getting car insurance. To get car insurance in California, research different insurance companies and their offerings. Get quotes. Contact multiple insurance providers for quotes based on your specific situation. Compare. Compare coverage, rates, and discounts to find the best option for you. Choose. Select the insurance policy that meets your needs and budget. Provide information. You'll need to provide information about your vehicle, driving history, and personal details. Make payment. Pay the premium to activate your coverage. Remember that car insurance is a legal requirement in California. Driving without insurance can result in fines, license suspension, and other penalties. Always make sure you're adequately covered before hitting the road. It's also a good idea to periodically review your policy to ensure it still meets your needs. Insurance companies operating in California, each offering a range of coverage options, rates, and discounts. Here is a list of some well-known car insurance companies that provide coverage in California. State Farm, Geico, Progressive, Allstate, Farmers Insurance, Mercury Insurance, AAA Esurance, Nationwide, Liberty Mutual, The Hartford, USAA, for military personnel and their families. Wawanisa Insurance, MetLife. Travelers, please note that this list is not exhaustive, and there are many other regional and local insurance companies as well. When choosing an insurance company, it's essential to consider factors such as coverage options, customer service, rates, discounts, and the company's reputation for handling claims. Before making a decision, you should gather quotes from multiple insurers to compare rates and coverage. Remember that the cost of insurance can vary significantly based on factors such as your driving history, the type of coverage you choose, the make and model of your vehicle, and your location in California. Additionally, check the California Department of Insurance's website for resources and information about insurance companies operating in the state. This can help you make an informed decision about which insurance company best meets your needs. The Department of Insurance, CDI, is the regulatory body responsible for overseeing the insurance industry in the state of California, including car insurance. Its primary goal is to ensure that insurance companies operating within California adhere to state laws and regulations, provide fair and transparent services to consumers, and maintain financial stability. The CDI also provides resources and information to help consumers make informed decisions about insurance coverage. Here are some key functions and services provided by the California Department of Insurance related to car insurance. 1. Consumer protection. The CDI protects consumers by regulating insurance companies, ensuring fair business practices, and investigating consumer complaints. If you have issues with your car insurance provider, you can file a complaint with the CDI for investigation. 2. Regulatory oversight. The department sets and enforces regulations for the insurance industry in California. This includes reviewing insurance policy forms, rates, and ensuring compliance with state laws. 3. Licensing and registration. The CDI licenses and registers insurance companies, agents, brokers, and adjusters to operate within the state. This helps ensure that these entities are qualified and authorized to provide insurance services. 4. Information and resources. The CDI provides resources, guides, and educational materials for consumers to better understand insurance policies, coverage options, and their rights as policyholders. 5. Rate regulation. While California has a competitive insurance market, the CDI reviews and approves insurance rates to ensure they are not excessive, inadequate, or unfairly discriminatory. 6. Fraud prevention. The department investigates insurance fraud cases and takes action against individuals or entities engaged in fraudulent activities related to insurance, including car insurance. 7. Disaster preparedness. The CDI plays a role in disaster preparedness by ensuring that insurance companies are financially prepared to handle claims resulting from natural disasters, such as wildfires or earthquakes. 8. Online tools and services. The CDI provides online tools for consumers to verify insurance licenses, file complaints, and access various resources related to insurance. To access information and resources provided by the California Department of Insurance, you can visit their official website, California Department of Insurance. On their website, you can find information about insurance regulations, licensing, consumer guides, complaint filing procedures, and more. If you have specific questions about car insurance regulations, requirements, or issues in California, the CDI website is a valuable resource to consult.